Hi, this is Dylan Zeller, and I'm going to demo my project called More Free Time for Software Engineering 575. So here you can see I have the project loaded in Xcode, and the simulator has been set to iPhone 8 because that is the preferred simulator for what I've built. More Free Time is a scheduling application. It basically does a simple event creation, editing, and viewing and deletion, and a daily view of your schedule. It uses a Swift front end and an SQLite 3 backend. So now we can just go up here and press the play button, which I've already done, and it'll load in the simulator. So let's take a look. So the first screen is like the main login screen. Right now there's no login because it's all local, but I made it so that it's pretty easy to just add in email and password for a quick login. So press continue and we'll go to the main screen. So this is where you can see all the events for whatever day is selected. You can go in here and change the day. Let's go to say February 9th of 2019, and it'll show you whatever dates are for that day. Let's go back. So December, today's the 7th, 2018. So we can add new events by going here. You can say this is my demo, and we'll do it at the library, and we can set it for today at 2 o'clock p.m. And these, the end date will update automatically from the start date. You can add a description saying like, I am going to demo my project now, and we can save it. So now you can see the start and end, my demo at the library. So we could go in and add another event. I'll just say this is my second event. We can just make it for today at 1 o'clock. Let's just do this real quick. And then location is my house, and description is description, exclamation point. So you can save that. You can see multiple events now, right? So we can also do this. We can click on it to view the event and also possibly delete one. It will give you a confirm message. We're not going to delete it right now. You return, and if you press and hold, as if you were tapping and holding on touchscreen, you can actually edit the events. And these events will all save back to the database. So just to show, we can edit this event and say, or yeah, edit the event, and let's say a real name, and it'll update in real time. We can also go in and delete this, and it'll also update. So that's pretty much the basis of my demo. We can also, let's just show a different day event. Let's make this for the 11th at 1 o'clock. Now you can see that if we go back to the 7th, my demo is still there, but if we go to the 11th, we have the other one. So that's basically the basis of my demo. Now I'm going to go through the code a little bit. So this is a storyboard for the controllers. So this is where the table is shown on the main screen. This is where the add event is located, and in the view event, they're pretty similar screens, just a little different functionality. So this is for the view controller for the main screen. So this is like the day of the list of events in one day. And so the view did load right here. This is loaded every time that it's loaded. It's actually only loaded once because I present everything modally over the top of it. So it only has to be loaded once. And we use these observers to pass data back and forth between the screens, especially the add event and the edit event. And then I encapsulated all the database functionality in the database manager class. So if you were to say change the way the database is structured or add another table to the database, it's pretty easy to work with. A couple of these are just pretty similar. The add event, you can see we had observers, so it can see when the dates are changed on the pop-up. The pop-up is also its own modal storyboard, so we can present it at any time. And this will also change to be just the date for the main screen because you don't need to enter a time. And it's not that much. We also have an event struct that we use to compare them, like because we sort them by time, by the start time on the main screen. So I just made a quick struct that'll sort them correctly. That's about it. Thank you very much. I really enjoyed this class.